In previous class of Microsoft 365 Advanced course, we discussed about how we can manage the users, right? We already discussed about how to add the license to our user, and we understand about the options which are available in the user's properties. So I'm going to move ourselves to next topic related to the admin center. And in this class, I'm planning to give you complete steps how we can add custom domain for our mailing services. So let's start. But before that, if you're new on my YouTube channel, if you're watching my video first time, so please do subscribe, because Teach Me Cloud can give you 100% live practical based videos without skip any step. So now we are on page of Microsoft 365, and our responsibility to click on the admin center. This is the panel that you can consider it as a Microsoft 365 admin center. And in the admin center panel, we are able to find multiple options are available. We have already discussed about the users and roles as well, means how we can assign the roles we have already discussed. Now it's time to understand about how we can manage the domains. The domain, as per the name suggests, that represent your organization, that represent your project. So in my case, I have already purchased multiple domains from GoDaddy.com. So I'm going to add the same domain with Microsoft 365 services. Once you add the domain, definitely you are able to create your user account associated with your own domain name, associated with your own company name, like abc.com, xyz.com, right? So xyz or abc.com is related to the company. You can add the name of your employee with the name of your domain controller or with the name of your company. So what I'm going to do to add any custom domain, we just need to click on setting over our Microsoft 365 admin center and click domains. It will redirect you on the page of number of domains that you have already configured. In my case, I have already added one custom domain and one is default domain. The Teach Me Cloud 389.onmicrosoft.com is a type of default domain which is provided by Microsoft as a complement. But the Teach Me Cloud.net, this is my own domain that I purchased, right? So as it is, I have already purchased multiple domains. So for better understanding, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open another page, another browser page for GoDaddy.com, because the GoDaddy.com is a type of website, or you can consider it as it's a type of domain providers or registrar that help us to buy any kind of domains for your business purpose. You are able to find multiple domains are available, like teachmecloud.in and CloudKaksa. If I expand it, so I have purchased two different domain using same name, like one is teachmecloud.in and another is teachmecloud.net. Right, one more domain I have already purchased, one more domain. So the domain name is, I think, cloudsupport.com. Let me check the another domains that I purchased. This is CloudKaksha. Yes, not .com. It's a cloudsupport.co.in, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the same domain with our Office 365 portal, and after that, once we add the cloudsupport.co.in, we will create our user. The users must be associated with the same name. So let's proceed how we can do that. Back to the Microsoft 365 portal, select setting, go to the domains, click on add domains and type the name of your domain that you have, cloudsupport.co.in. And yes, I wanted to use this particular domain. Click use domain. It will give you some records, the DNS record that you need to copy and paste on your GoDaddy.com. So yes, I'm just going to proceed, continue. It will provide you the txt value. The txt value can help us to identify that you are the owner of this particular domain. Open your GoDaddy.com. It may be another domain providers as well, so you need to follow the same steps. Copy the txt record from your Office 365 portal admin center, and after that you need to open your domains properties, and in the domain properties we need to add the records. So let me open, click on domains, click on manage DNS. This is cloudsupport.in. Click manage DNS. It will redirect you on the page of records where we can add multiple records as provided by the Office 365. So already multiple records are available. So I'm just going to remove the existing record because I don't want to continue with that. I'm going to add a new record because we want to add our domain with new Office 365 account. You should remove the entire record that you have already added. If your domain is fresh, then definitely you need to proceed with the same record that you copied from the Office 365 portal. Now we successfully removed the entire domain, entire records. So just need to click on add record, select the types of record that you want to provide, and type value and custom 3600. This is the value for our TTL. Add the record and we have to wait for a few more seconds. Once you provide the information about the record on GoDaddy.com, back to the 365 panel and click on confirm the record that you saved. Once you confirm the record, and back to the portal and verify the domain name that you added. So everything is okay. cloudsupport.co.in is available. You need to proceed with continue. So one more point just wanted to add in case of adding domain with GoDaddy.com. So we have a very shortcut method. You just need to click on this particular icon. You need to provide the credential of GoDaddy.com. Once you assign the user ID and password, immediately it will automatically copy the entire record and paste to the GoDaddy.com portal, and immediately you can approve your custom domain. I'm going to proceed with the manual task because you know that only the GoDaddy.com can help you to automatic enroll or automatic domain assignment. If you have already purchased your domain from the different domain provider, so definitely you need to follow the manual steps. So that's why I'm going to proceed with manual. Just need to click continue and it will give you more records, and yes, you need to provide the complete record information. So let me proceed with next, continue and wait for the upcoming record. It will take time, so not and worry, we just need to wait for a few more minutes, and after that we'll try to copy and paste the record. After providing the txt record, you need to copy a few more records. So these all are the list of record that you need to configure. First is mx record, second is cname, and third is txt again. So I'm going to copy the mx record. This is the value of mx record. Back to the domain controller, the domain provider location, and select the type of record mx, priority 0, and provide the value. Just need to paste the value that you copied, and the TTL is 1 hour. Save the setting. Back to the 365 portal again, and this time I want to proceed with the canonical name cname. This is host name autodiscover, and this is the pointer address autodiscover.outlook.com. So I'm going to copy the point to the address, select add record, click on canonical name cname and type autodiscover and paste the value. Again the TTL value is 1 hour. Save the record. Back to the 365 portal again, and now it's time to proceed with the final record that we have. Just copy the value. It's a type of again txt record. Add record, select txt, paste the value that you copied, and TTL 1 hour. Save the configuration of record, and now we just need to proceed with continue. This is the panel of 365. Once you complete, paste or type the entire record from the 365 to GoDaddy, back to the 365 portal and click continue. Everything is okay. We successfully set our domain with Microsoft 365 services. Now we are able to create our new user, and the user you can associate with the cloudsupport.co.in. So do not use your on Microsoft.com if you have already purchased the domain. So definitely this is the procedure that you need to follow to synchronize your GoDaddy.com domain with 365 portal. I'm going to show you one more practical. Back to the active user, and we have already created multiple user. Let me check with another user. Like I want to create one user with name of Rahul. The display name is also Rahul, and it will give us option teachmecloud.net. This is my old domain controller. Cloudsupport.co.in that we just added. So I wanted to make it member of cloudsupport.co.in. Type the password for the Rahul user. I don't want to uh, make any changes with the settings that we have. Fine. Next, I want to assign the license of Microsoft 365 E5. Next, next, and finished. Everything is okay. The username that we created, I'm going to show you how we can use it in real environment. Just need to open office.com, right? And you have to provide the username is rahul@cloudsupport.co.in and the password that you use to configure. Rahul at cloudsupport.co.in, and you have to provide the password, right? Everything is okay. I think we are able to log in with the cloudsupport.co.in, right? So guys, this is the way that you can use in case of real environment, in case of production environment. If client want to set up their own domain, so definitely this video can help you to understand about the method to add our custom domain from the different domain provider to Microsoft 365. So that's it for today's session, guys. Please do subscribe your on Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. We'll always try to give you quality based content. Thank you guys. Take care and bye bye. We'll connect soon with another video.